Hello everyone, I'm Anita and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to talk about how we can improve our English speaking skills. Earlier I have already made a video on this topic in which I had mentioned about four things: reading, listening, writing and speaking, where I had explained about all of this, what benefits we can get from this. You know, I like reading, listening, and writing. But apart from that, I love speaking the most because I know when we are reading or listening, we are putting ideas in our mind. And when we write, we are creating our thoughts. But when we speak, we are delivering our thoughts outside. We try to express our thoughts. So that is why speaking is most important while you learn English. And I make videos on grammar because grammar plays crucial role in your journey. If you don't have any English environment, then grammar is important because through grammar you can speak English confidently. So again in this video I want to give you some concrete and natural tips, and I assure you it is going to give you enormous benefits. So first one is, see, there are so many household equipments in your house. Why don't you pick one and try to elaborate about that? It can be about your fridge, laptop, computer, washing machine, smartphones, and there are so many furnitures in your house. Just what you have to do, pick one equipment and try to express your points. I'm telling you, suppose I want to talk about my washing machine. So first I will explain about its advantages and then disadvantages. So for example, this is my washing machine. This is of grey color. I had bought it before 5 years. Nowadays, washing clothes has become so easier for me by using it because while I make breakfast, at the same time I wash my clothes as well. And because of it, I'm always on time. So it is very convenient because it saves my time and my energy. And if you want to talk about its disadvantages, you can express like, although it is very convenient, but it is not good for our health, because earlier when I used to wash my cloth by my hand, I used to feel active, but nowadays I have become lazy and it consumes lot of electricity, it wastes lot of water. So it has made us dependent, it has made us dependent on this machine. So like that you can explain your thoughts no matter what, you are making mistakes or not, you are just practicing, and gradually you can overcome your mistakes. So if you do practice on regular basis at least half an hour every day, make sure your English speaking skills will improve drastically. Only you need to do regular practice. And you can also talk about your family members. You can talk about your father, your mother, sister. You can talk about your idols. First, you have to explain their good qualities and the other hand, their bad qualities. Let me give you some example. Suppose you want to talk about your sister. You will say, my sister is beautiful girl. She loves me a lot. She has done her graduation. She is a teacher. She teach children and make them educated. She is a role model for our society. I'm inspired from her. She is my motivation. So like that you can explain her good qualities, and if you want to talk about her bad qualities, you can. And third one is, whenever you watch any videos, try to drop a message in their comment section. It is also going to give you more benefits. Although here you are not delivering your thoughts but creating your thoughts. Suppose you are watching 3 or 4 videos in a day and dropping your points in their comment section, it means you are making more than 10 sentences in a day. So if you are doing this every day, slowly what will you notice? Your writing skills is improving. So earlier when I used to watch videos and drop a message, I used to use very few and simple words. But later, what I noticed, I started using advanced vocabulary and forming a big sentences. And gradually, I became so habitual. When they replied, I feel content. So, make a habit which give you benefits. See, everyone has a smartphone, isn't it? Everyone talks with their family or friends. So, if you are willing to learn English, why don't you find a friend who are eager to learn English? I'm giving you some common method which could be a very helpful in your learning journey. So, what you have to do, if you are English learner, you should have a surroundings which has a people who are eager to learn English. So create a group call and invite them who are eager to learn English, and set a time which is flexible for all of you, and on that particular time you make a call. When your friends will join, then pick a topic and one by one try to express your point of view on that topic. So, if you are practicing every day, you cannot believe where you can reach. So, again, I will say make a habit which give you more benefits, which is productive. So, this is all about improving our English speaking skills. I hope you will like and implement it. I will meet very soon. And if you like the video, give a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel.